Last week LG announced that it will launch the V40 ThinQ smartphone on October 3rd at an event in New York, and on October 4th, it will unveil the device on its home turf. The South Korean electronics giant released a video with the invitation which showed 3 rear cameras, one with a wide-angle lens, another with zoom capabilities, telephoto lens, and a third one dedicated to capturing portrait images. A new leak now shows the alleged smartphone from the front with the display sporting a notch and iPhone-like bezels. When LG unveils the V40 ThinQ, multiple different device storage configurations are set to be announced. According to sources, the base model will ship with 6 GB of RAM, and if a new leak is accurate, the range-topping one may boast 8 GB of RAM instead. Alongside this RAM count, consumers can expect to see 128 GB of internal storage, which will presumably be expandable. Additionally, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 will unsurprisingly be present, as will a 3,300 mAh battery. This means that no internal upgrades have been made other than the increase in RAM when compared to the V35 ThinQ. The major details that differentiate the V40 ThinQ are actually on the external side of things. Starting off with the display, it has grown to 6.4 inches in size and has controversially gained a notch in the process. While this isn't home to any Face ID-like tech, it does house an in-ear speaker and 2 front-facing cameras of 8 megapixels and 5 megapixels in resolution respectively. When it comes to the rear, the dual camera setup on LG's previous flagships has been expanded in order to incorporate a third. This means that there will be a main 16 megapixel sensor, a second 12 megapixel one with a wide-angle lens, and a third 8 megapixel camera complete with a telephoto lens. LG's next flagship is expected to go on sale in the second half of October following its announcement in the first week. Unfortunately, at this moment in time, it's unclear how LG will position it against the competition.